here's something people don't talk about enough. Just owning an AED isn't enough. It has to be ready to work every single time. The good news? AEDs are designed to be incredibly low maintenance. Most of them run daily self-checks automatically. If something's wrong, they'll show you with a blinking light or a warning sound. They're smart like that. But here's where you come in. Even with all those built-in features, AEDs still need a quick manual check every so often just to be sure. Once a month, take 2 minutes to do a simple walkthrough. Check the battery to make sure it hasn't expired. Look at the electrode pads. Yes, even those expire, whether they've been used or not. And finally, confirm that the device's status light is green or showing OK. That's it. No tools, no stress, just a small habit that makes a huge difference. Because when an emergency hits, you don't want to find out something's expired or disconnected. You want to know your AED is ready to go. Want to make sure your AEDs are always ready without relying on memory, sticky notes, or guesswork? That's where AED.us comes in. AED.us is an all-in-one AED program management platform that helps you stay compliant, avoid expired parts, and keep everything documented automatically. With monthly reminders, expiration alerts, inspection logs, and even physician oversight and replacement pads with the Pro plan, this program ensures your AED's always ready to go, so you don't have to think twice. Protect lives and your peace of mind today. Visit AED.us to learn more.